Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Boxten from Dandy's World. So first let's get started on the top left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. Leaving a gap now, moving over towards the right, let's replicate that again. Now moving in towards the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then moving over on the right, let's replicate that again. Moving over toward the top left hand side of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. On the top left hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then for the mouth, on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line from the right, arching this line around and then over. And now let's draw in the box for the head. So coming up on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across all the way over towards the right, just extending that past our eyes on both sides. Now from here on the left hand side, we're going to continue to bring this line all the way around and then down towards the bottom. Moving over towards the right again, we're going to bring this line all the way down, making sure we end this at the same height. And now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom by drawing a straight line, bringing this all the way over. Now towards the top, we're going to draw in two straight lines on both sides, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a small square. On the top now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes over and out towards the corner. And then we'll move over on the left hand side, lining it up at the same height, and we'll just replicate that. Now on the side, we're going to bring this line all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll move over on the left hand side and replicate that. Now on the bottom, we're going to close this off again with another straight line. Now in each corner, we're going to leave a gap, and we're going to curve this line around and then in. And as we curve it in, we're always going to make sure that we curve it in towards the center. Coming down on the right, we're going to curve this back up and down. And then again over on the left. Now from here, we're going to connect this together. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way over and in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. On the top corner again, we're going to bring this line down. Again over on the left. Now as we move underneath, we're going to connect this together, bringing this down towards the corner on both sides. And then again, one more time, just closing this off by drawing in a straight line from left to right. Now let's draw in the torso. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then over on the right, we're going to again arch this line down and then back in on the bottom. Now from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to again arch this line up and over on the right. Moving down now, just leaving a small gap, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that back up and over on the right. Now from here for the arm, we're going to draw in a diagonal line from the corner that comes out on both sides, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this line around, back up. And then again from that point, just bringing in another diagonal line that comes up towards the torso. Lastly, let's draw in our legs now. So from the middle to the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll move over on the right-hand side and replicate that. On the bottom again, we're going to curve this line over and out. From that corner, we're going to arch this line around and then in. From the top here, we're going to curve this line up. Now as we move in towards the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on both sides, line that up at the same height. We're going to come down and leave a small gap and replicate that again. Again, one more time, let's move down, replicating that. And then one more time, just curving this line over and out. And that is it. That's how you draw Boxten from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.